In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ClickFunnels to Kajabi with an easy integration process. Whether you're an entrepreneur who's using ClickFunnels to optimize your sales funnel or Kajabi to host your courses, integrating these two powerful platforms can streamline your online business operations. Let's start by navigating to the ClickFunnels homepage. Once you're there, locate and click on your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner. This action will open a drop-down menu. From there, you will need to click on Account Settings. This is where you can manage various settings related to your ClickFunnels account. Next, within the Account Settings, look for and click on the Integrations tab. This section is specifically dedicated to connecting ClickFunnels with other software and platforms to optimize your workflow. In the Integrations area, you will see an option saying Add New Integration. Clicking this will open a list of available platforms to integrate with ClickFunnels. From the list, select Kajabi, which will prompt you to enter specific integration details. Here, you will need to fill in the integration name, API secret, and API key. These are unique identifiers that ensure a secure connection between ClickFunnels and Kajabi, and you will obtain these from your Kajabi account. To proceed, head over to your Kajabi account and click on Settings. Within the Settings menu, find and click on Third-Party Integrations. This section allows Kajabi to communicate and share data with other applications, such as ClickFunnels. You'll want to scroll down to find the API key and API secret within this area. These credentials are what you'll need to copy so that ClickFunnels can connect with Kajabi. Once you have copied the API key and API secret from Kajabi, return to ClickFunnels and paste them into the respective fields within the Integration Setup page. This step is crucial as it verifies the authenticity of the connection between both platforms. After pasting these keys, click on Add Integration, and that's it. You have successfully connected Kajabi to ClickFunnels. By setting up this integration, you've created a seamless flow of information and functionality between your sales funnel in ClickFunnels and your educational content or products housed in Kajabi. This ensures that your customer data is synchronized, your sales process is efficient, and the delivery of your digital products is smooth. And there you have it. You've integrated ClickFunnels with Kajabi effectively. If you followed along, congratulations on enhancing your digital ecosystem. Be sure to test out the integration to confirm everything is communicating correctly, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps should you need to troubleshoot or reconfigure the integration in the future. Thank you for watching, and happy funneling!